If you're a massage therapist or a body worker who's great at what you do, but your schedule isn't as full as you'd like, this video is for you. Because here's the thing, most massage therapists and body workers make the same mistake when they're trying to get more clients. They either spend money that they don't have on advertisements, or they wait and hope that word of mouth will eventually fill their books. And both of those approaches are slow, expensive, and frustrating. Today I'm going to show you 5 steps to get more massage clients without spending a fortune. These are the exact same principles that we use at Thai Healing Massage Academy. We've been training thousands of massage therapists and body workers online since 2009. So stay until the end, because step 5 is the most important one most massage therapists or practitioners overlook. And it could be the single fastest thing you could do to get found by new clients this week. I'm Ashleen from Thai Healing Massage Academy, and we've been practicing and teaching Thai massage for over 2 decades now. And we're dedicated to helping massage therapists and body workers build careers they love, with the skills and clients and the income to match. So if you're new here and this kind of content is useful to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We post new videos for massage therapists and body workers every week. All right, let's get into it. The first step is one that a lot of therapists and body workers keep putting off, and that is building your own website. Now, before you click away, hear me out. I know what you're thinking. I'm not a tech person. I don't know how to design anything. And that sounds expensive and complicated, and I simply don't have time for that. But here's the fact, it's none of those things anymore. Think about it for a second. When someone moves to a new city and their back is killing them, what do? They open Google and they type massage therapist near me. And what comes up? A list of therapists with websites, photos, reviews, and a button that says book now. It's so seamless and it's so easy. If you don't have that website, you're invisible to those people. They'll just book with someone else. Not because that therapist is better than you, but because they showed up and you didn't. The good news is that creating a website today has never been easier or cheaper than ever before. Tools like Wix and Squarespace lets you pre-build professional templates. So you just plug in your information, you add your photo, and you're done. We're talking a few hours of your time and maybe $10 to $15 a month, maximum. Your website doesn't even need to be fancy. It just needs to exist, look professional, and make it easy for someone to book with you. Which brings us to step 2, what to actually put in to your website. Most massage therapists' websites make the same mistake. They lead with something like, welcome to my website, or a big generic photo, and visitors have no idea what you offer or how to book. So you need to make it as seamless and as easy as possible for them to know what you do and how to reach out to you. So here's what your homepage actually needs. At the very top, immediately visible when someone lands on your page, includes your services, clearly stated, therapeutic Thai massage in your city. Done. Now they know they're in the right place. Below that, a brief breakdown of what you offer. Thai massage, deep tissue, relaxation, whatever it is that you do. And make sure to put a description underneath all of that. And keep it simple. Then there needs to be a clear call to action button. Make it big, make it bold. Don't make people hunt for it. Something like book your session or call to schedule. Make it very obvious. Then there should be a short bio. Just a paragraph about who you are, how long you've been doing this for, what you specialize in, why you got into massage therapy in the first place, and then another booking button. That's it. Simple, clear, and designed for one purpose, to get someone to book with you. The biggest mistake I see therapists make is building a beautiful website that has no clear next step. Someone lands on it, read a little, and then leaves, because they don't know what to do next. Every section of your homepage should be nudging the visitor towards one action, and that is booking a session with you. Here's something most therapists don't realize. When someone visits a website, they've never been there before. The first thing they do after the homepage is go to the About page. Because people don't just book a massage, they book a person. They book someone that they can trust, and they want to feel safe. So your About page is not just a filter. It is one of the most important trust-building tools you actually have. Here's what it needs. Start with a professional photo of yourself. Not a selfie, not a group photo, just a clear, friendly photo of you, ideally doing what you do. Then write 1 or 2 paragraphs about your background. Share your hobbies, share something personal. How many years you've been practicing for. What do you specialize in? What drew you to massage therapy in the first place? And the last part, your personal story. That's what creates a connection. Because clients don't just want a skilled therapist. They want someone that they can feel a genuine connection with. And then, this is critical, add client testimonials. Even 2 or 3 real testimonials from happy clients will do more for your credibility than anything else on your website. People trust other people. Social proof is everything. Don't undervalue that. Now, this is another important step, and it's one of the most powerful things you can actually do to get found on Google for free. Here's how it works. Google's entire job is to match people with the information they're actually looking for. When someone searches deep tissue massage for back pain in Nashville, for example, Google scans every website out there and decides whose content best answers that question. So if you've written a short article on your website about deep tissue massage for back pain, and you mention Nashville, Google is much more likely to show your website to that person. This is called search engine optimization, or for short, SEO. And for the local massage therapist, it doesn't need to be complicated at all. Here's what to do. Go to Google Ads Keyword Planner. It's completely free to use. When you're in there, type in massage and your city. This will show you exactly what people in your area are searching for. You might find things like prenatal massage in your city, or Thai massage near me, or massage for sciatica in your city. Then from there, you have an idea of what people are actually searching for on Google. Then you write a simple article for each of those topics. It doesn't have to be long. You don't have to be a professional writer. You just need to be helpful. Write about what the massage is, who it's for, how it helps, and what someone can expect from a session with you. End every article with a clear call to action, either a number so they can call you and book, or a link that they can just book right away with you. It can even say, book your session today with your phone number. And over time, as you add more articles, Google sees your website as a real helpful resource, and it starts building trust on Google. And it starts ranking you higher. That means more people find you. More people find you means more booking. And more booking means a fuller schedule. And it costs nothing except a little bit of time. Here's one quick tip. Make sure to be specific. Massage therapist in Nashville is much better than just massage therapist. And Thai massage for athletes in Austin is better than just Thai massage. The more specific you are, the easier it is for Google to match you with exactly the right person. And these kind of keywords need to be highlighted in your homepage and in your about page. Now, this is a step that I promised you, and it might be the single fastest win on the entire list, your Google Business Profile. And this is a free tool that puts your business directly on Google Maps and at the top of the local search results. You know when you search for a restaurant and that little box comes up on the right side with the address, hours, photos, and reviews? That's a Google Business Profile. And if you're a massage therapist without one, you are missing out on a massive amount of free visibility online. Here's why it matters so much. When someone searches massage therapist near me, Google shows a map with 3 businesses highlighted at the top first, before any website results. Those 3 spots get the most clicks. If you're not on that map pack, most people won't even scroll down to find you. Setting it up is free and takes less than 30 minutes. So go to business.google.com, create your own profile, add your services, your hours, your phone numbers, photo of your space, and your website link. And make sure to add your address as well. Now, here's the part that really makes a difference. Reviews. Ask every happy client to leave you a Google review. I know it can feel awkward to ask, but it doesn't need to be. You can simply say at the end of a session, if you enjoyed your session today, I'd really appreciate if you left me a Google review. It really helps people find me. You can even print out the barcode where they can just scan it and they can quickly write a review. Most happy clients will do it for you. And those reviews makes a huge difference in how Google ranks you and how much new clients trust you when they find you. If you don't have a physical location because you do mobile massage or work from home, that's completely fine. Google lets you set up a service area business where you just define the area you serve instead of a specific address. Now, here's something I want to leave you with. Because everything we've talked about today is about getting clients in the door. But there's another side of the equation that most therapists and body workers don't think about. What keeps those clients coming back and getting them to refer their friends? It's the quality and the uniqueness of what you offer. And this is where Thai massage becomes a real game changer for your practice. Over the last decade in the US, Thai massage has been growing in demand year over year. There are roughly 300,000 massage therapists in the US, with most of them offering Swedish, deep tissue, and maybe hot stone. When you add Thai massage to your practice, especially with techniques that use your forearms, elbows, body weight, instead of just your thumbs, you immediately stand out. Clients notice you are offering something different. They talk about it. And a therapist who is known for getting real results without the hand pain that limits the therapist's hours, that therapist fills their schedule through word of mouth faster than any website can do it. So while you're building your digital presence, and you absolutely should, also think about what you can offer that no one else in your area is also offering. That's how you truly stand out. And if you want to learn more about how Thai massage can transform your practice and your career, we have a free Thai massage mini course linked in the description below. It's a great way to see what the training looks like and whether it's the right fit for you. And if this video was helpful, do me a favor. Give it a like and share it with another massage therapist or body worker who you think could actually find this valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.